Especially you've been raving about the first serum that we're going to be introducing today, which is the Bakuchiol.
The Bakuchiol serum.
Firming serum. I think that's one of the best key points of this product, that you can use it day and night because you want to be constantly treating your skin, right? If I were to only like be able to use it during the nighttime,
then it's not really.
I just feel like that constant like treatment makes me feel better about myself as well. It's also known as the lifting serum because it's supposed to lift up all of your skin sagginess. You want to show them like the texture?
I want to show the texture because
Sure.
let me just show the texture first.
Ooh. It's super hydrating, soft, and wow, look at that. Immediately. So next product that we're going to be introducing is my favorite. It's a Cica Repair Snail Essence. Cica and Snail. Cica and Snail is like the main like ingredient.
It's the
that
ultimate mix collaboration.
So to see that both in action in one product is like the holy grail.
It looks sticky, but it's not sticky. So the Snail Essence, it actually has 96% of snail mucin.
Wow.
When snails get hurt, like injured, they heal themselves. And using the snail mucin, and that's why they got the idea from the snails like mucin
Natural way to
bring it
recover themselves
for our skincare, skin recovery.
Apply that into Korean skincare.
And don't worry, these snails were grown in a very clean and harmless environment. They actually collect the mucin from the trails after the snails
passes by.
Yeah, so you have to wait a lot because they're like really slow.
So going back, it has hyaluronic acid. So even if you're dry skin, you can use this. It also has hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, plant collagen. It also has that AC Cica Pure Complex that cares for acne-prone skin. So this is just like an all-in-one treatment.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Essence.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
You can see.
Wow.
Can you see that? It looks like,
the trail
texture.
of snail, but not sticky. You're getting all of that treatment in one serum. Essence.
You know what goes well with the essence?
I wonder what.
You can maybe take a guess.
It is, of course, the same line.
Cica Repair Snail Cream. So this is a new one because the one I use, I actually like finished half of the.
So the texture is kind of interesting, where it also has that snail mucin in there because it has 88% snail mucin extract in this cream. So it's also gonna have that similar little like stringy texture, but it is not sticky at all.
It's not sticky. What I felt like after applying the cream, like right after, it does have like a little bit of stickiness, but you need to kind of like tap it in so it goes like into the skin. But after, you have this like thin layer that kind of like shields in all the moisture. Like those creams that are really smooth. I feel like after I apply them, it gets a bit dry. Like I feel like it's not enough. That's why I like products that.
So we would also recommend using maybe all of these products together because they all focus on different layers. So the first product that you would probably use, if you were to use all of these, would be the essence, right? The essence, right? The essence, and then the Bakuchiol serum.
Bakuchiol serum, if you want to use all three in one routine,
And then end with the Cica Repair Snail Cream. And then perfect.
Yeah, it's a perfect
You're
combo.
targeting anti-aging, you're targeting, Cica repair
and healthier complexion.
Yes, and then you're also finishing with a skin barrier protective layer with
and
the cream
recovery.
And niacinamide, which also, evens out your skin tone, like your complexion. So you're targeting everything, honestly, right? Bye, guys.
I'm gonna go watch the snails now in the rain.
Yeah.